Okay, now in this video we are going to see transform properties, which means comes under a translate, scale, rotate and skew option. How to use that? So first I need a box for that. So main. So just closing that, saving that here. Dot main. Width of 100 pixel, height of 100 pixel, and before that, okay, just show what is the difference. Background color of crimson. So border equal to 1 pixel, solid black. I think it show anything, so I'm just showing to 3 pixel. So you could see a perfect box. So before going to a transform, I just want to say each and every browser has a different, which means a different graphical properties, a different programming, different things as present in, but you are programming all for one web page only. That's the wrong way. So before whatever you programming for Internet Explorer user, you just want to use ms dash. So here you want to say justify content to flex like that. This is for something like Internet Explorer. Use ms and bracket is not necessary, so you will get confused. So here I'm just closing that, copying that. So for Firefox user, you want to make something like moz. For Firefox, you just moz. For this transition, transform and animate function alone, this is more mandatory. So for Chrome and Safari, we need WebKit. And finally for Opera, we need OS. So you need to write the program for 4 times, which means the transition property alone. Opera. So here I'm just entering display block, margin auto, saying that it has been in center, and margin top of 50 pixel. Okay, perfect. 50 pixel. The program it shows like this. So first I'm just showing transition. Not a transition. Transform, translate, X. So here I'm just saying just move to 50 pixel. If I save that, the thing has been moved. You watch that. If I say 500 pixel, has been gone. Sorry friends, 250 pixel from center to 250 pixel on that side. If you want to go this side, use -250. It will come here. So for horizontal line, okay, I'm just little bit confused in horizontal and vertical. So horizontal line, it will goes like here. For vertical line, use transform translate y to 250 pixel, which means from current position to 250 pixel. That's what. It's y showing in center means first the code will execute translate x, which means minus 250 pixel. So here translate y equal to 250 pixel. The program will take the loss line which you have entered. So if you want to move both the side, use translate of x comma y, which means first position is x and second position is y. 250. This is what the correct position, which means in default in position is center. I am first saying in x position I just wanted to move minus 250 pixel, and then I'm just saying in y position I just want to move 250 pixel. That's it. This is what translate x and y. So now we are going to see scale property. So scale is nothing but scale x. If I say 1, just a minute. So 1 is the default thing. If I say 1.5, you could see in x position it has been expanding. 1 is default value. If I say 5, the thing which has been expanded in this way. If I say to y, you could see it has been in top position. So for translate function also you have both things. 5, so not 5, 3 comma 3, in which means x3 and y3. It's a perfect big circle. This is what scale property. So now don't forget that you need first translate, you need a rem property or pixel property. For scale you doesn't need a property, which means percentage or value 1 to 10 like that. So third, for rotate you need a degree. For that I'm just saying 45 degree. So that has been changing to 45 degree. If I save to, so 90 is 75 degree, the box has been changed to 75 degree. This is what a rotate function. So now we are going to see skew function. Skew x also both thing. For this there is no shorthand, so I'm just skew saying 50 degree. In x position it just wanted to be 15 degree. If I say to 45 degree, you could see the angle from here. So now we are going to see skew y of 45 degree. So here the angle from here, just see from here. This is what skew x and y. So now we are going to move to transition. So transition is nothing but creating in a way of manner. So I'm just creating some basic thing with an height, background color, border, and making it centerized with the margin top. So now getting into that. So here in main dot hover, when I hover the thing, I just want something like background color, changing background color to teal and border to 3 pixel solid silver. So saving that, you could see a hoverable state. Now I'm just want to make it big, so transform, so translate, so not the translate, scale. I'm just saying x2 and y2. So now I'm just saving that. You could see the box into big. First, why it has been showing so much fast? Because its coding is basically fast. We need to make that small duration. Within duration, the function want to execute. So for that, first I'm just needing a transition property. So what did you want to do? It's just asking what changes do you want. I'm saying a background option, background color. So after that, so next question he asking is, in how much duration do you want this to complete? So transition duration to 2 seconds. I just wanted to be in 2 seconds. So then there are so much of option. So if you are going to buy a mobile, so in mobile showroom they will show all different kind of company brand mobiles with same configuration. So like that, this thing also have a different thing like transition timing function, but same work, is in, is out, all the things are, the working is different, but basically they are do some function. So they are asking to choose the function. And finally, did you want before work delay? So that is called transition delay. I just want to delay 0.5 seconds. So now I am saving that. Just look only color. So the color alone changes its original to hovering state within 2 seconds, means hovering state, but that border and scale doesn't changes back. So here, because I am just saying transition property, only background color, means do concentrate only on background. So now I'm just saying concentrate on all thing. So now you could see the difference, slowly moving all. This is what a transition property. You are assigning your work with the manner, then how to work with work delay. This is what a transition property. So there is a shorthand property for transition. So that is transition. So all transition duration of 5 seconds and transition timing function of ease and transition delay of 1 second. So I'm just saving that and removing it all, again saving that. So now within 5 seconds I got this. So that is what a transition function. If I take that, within 5 seconds let's go back to the normal state. So let's see on keyframe, next topic. So for keyframes, I'm just removing all of this content and display this content is also. So you can see at the top. So first, I'm just, it is like a downloading function. When you download, you could see from 0 to 100%. So for animation also, you are saying that from 0% to 100%, what are the work they want to do. You need to assign complete thing. So first, I'm just entering keyframes. So here in keyframes, you want to name the function, the animation function name. I'm just simply entering a name. So first, here you dividing the animation. So means in animation movie, if you watching that, so all the thing are not take at a single time or same position, nothing. So here you are saying at first this thing wanted to happen, and second and this thing wanted to happen. So here I'm just saying at 0% I need a background color of what I want. So here I'm just saying black. Okay, and at 25% I just want a background color of blue. So at 50% I just want a background color of red. At 75% I just want a background color of green. And at 100% I just want background color to white and color to black. Sorry, border color. Border to 2 pixel solid black. So here my animation function has been finished. So here first I'm just calling the animation name. So animation name is name. So after that animation duration, you are saying in how many duration did you want, means so I just want 5 seconds. So animation timing function like ease in, ease out, you has been seen in, so I'm just saying ease. So animation iteration count means how much time you want, you are saying 2 times, 3 times or infinite times. You could also say like that. Then finally animation direction like alternate, reversal, alternate, something like animation direction to alternate. So if I save that, you could see the changing of color to infinite time. So if I save to 3 seconds, you could see the fast movement of the thing. So here I'm just mentioning some transform, translate to from x 0 to 100 pixel. After that I'm just copying the pasting here. At 25% I just want x to be 100 pixel and y to be 0. Just a minute, I think I got confused. No, I'm right. Here it will come 0. So here first I'm just saying x to 0, y to 100. Again I'm just saying copying that 50%, x to 100 and y to 100, and at 75% I just want y to 100 and x to 0. Okay, and finally I just want 100% each 0. You could see the perfect box. So here I'm just mentioning alternate, so it has been working front back like this. So if I say reversal, the function will be turned back. So here, saving that, you could see the function is totally different. So here also you have a shortened property. It's called animation of name to 5 seconds. So is, I'm just saying 2 times done enough. Here I'm using alternate. So saving that, you could see 5 seconds duration, first, alternate. That's it. Because I'm just saying iteration count to 2. That's what the reason. This is what animation in CSS. You could probably use scale and scope options like that. Just work out all of things which I have been teached in previous lectures.